Hello, friends! So, have you ever tried throwing something in Minecraft and you got rid of it permanently, and then later on you actually need that item? Well, I made a very simple solution to that very simple problem. So, here is the prototype. So, basically, what you're gonna do is just open the chest, put your trash inside, and it won't automatically dispense, but once you turn on the piston, it will. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, so the dispenser's automatic, but the dropper isn't. I mean, like the throwing trash isn't. Okay, I'm going to get all these cooked mutton. I need to throw all these trash too. There are like so many petals and they're just really annoying. They multiply so much and I don't know what to do with all of these. So yeah. Let me like okay, hold on real sec. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest and I should stack up my mutants. Okay, gonna put them together to get these guys. Oops. Okay. Oh no. Wait. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't throw everything yet. Okay. Whew. That's a relief. There we go. Oh, yay. I'm just gonna finally probably keep this just in case I actually need it again. I shouldn't throw things so haphazardly. Maybe I should also keep one of each. Yeah, okay, there we go. Beep. There we go. Snowball. Nah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Everything goes to permanent deletion now. Bye bye. Okay, so it works well. So yay! So yeah.